All right, so here's another cool tip with your Volkswagen Tiguan. So, here's the backup camera. Let's say it's snowing outside, or you just got off a dirt road and you've got dust and debris you want to remove. So right here, you push this forward for your back windshield wiper. It'll also clean off your camera. Pretty cool, right? Here's a pretty cool tip on your Volkswagen Tiguan. So you can go down to here to drive modes, hit drive modes. You can go to Eco, Normal, Sport, or Custom, hit adjust. Now you can select Sport or Normal for Custom. I like mine on Sport. Drive system, Normal, Sport, or Eco. Climate control, Normal or Eco, or you can just go ahead and reset it. All right, here on the Volkswagen Tiguan, we have another tip. You can do custom off-road mode. So you turn this twice, custom off-road, go to adjust. Then you can choose if you want your off-road mode normal or sport, drive system off-road or normal, all-wheel normal or off-road, climate, hill descent control, hill start assist, and you can go ahead and reset it if you want to start fresh. Pretty cool tip. Here's another tips and tricks on the Volkswagen Tiguan. So let's say you have your windows down and your sunroof open and it's starting to sprinkle out. You have your key fob in your pocket. You just want to roll your windows up. So go ahead and touch this button, hold it down for 5 seconds. Keep holding. It'll roll all your windows up and shut your sunroof. Just thought I'd show y'all a pretty cool tip and tricks. All right, here's another cool tip on the Volkswagen Tiguan that most people don't know about. So the back seats are actually sliding back seats. So you go up under here, there's a lever. Pull the lever. You can slide your seat forward or backwards. Pretty cool tip. Forgot to mention, this works on both sides of the seats in the rear. All right, here's another tip for the Volkswagen Tiguan. So it's pretty cool. You can probably do this in any mode. I think it's pretty neat putting it in sport mode. And you got to do this while you're in park because of safety features. So let's say you're in sport mode and you want to get on a dirt road and have some fun, or get on some snow and have some fun, right? So you've seen I put it in sport. Go to vehicle settings and then ESC system. So it's activated, safety feature. And so what I'll like to do is go down to ESC sport. And now you can have some fun and give it a go.